you tell us something about your influences, like Malmsteen, Billy Moore, Alex Skolnick, and Slayer?
I've just, ever since I was a little kid, like 12, I started listening to like Racer X, stuff like that, you know, crazy guitar. You know, that's always kind of been there, having me have something to strive for, you know, playing faster and faster, you know, and getting off on that, especially, you know, hearing it back in an age where you're really, you know, really driven towards those kind of things anyway, just because of fucking raging testosterone in your body and whatnot, so that really had an effect on me. One thing I like to do is alternate between like a minor and a diminished, like. So they had bouncing in and out of those.
Okay.
My approach towards riffs, a lot of times I like slow, crushing kind of things. Those always seem to be the heaviest riffs, are always the slowest ones. I like to do a lot of stuff with picking harmonics too. You know, like something like that with a really slow half-time beat. To me, it's a lot more crushing.